Hello everybody, Israel here from Tiny Topanga, wanting to show you this house that it's 100% done. This one, it's a Hazel model. The bathroom and the second room, it's modified, so we call this version the Hazie. It's a model with a collaboration with Shaye. In this particular model we got an accordion door. This window also opens up fully. The kitchen area is here. We're gonna have dishwasher here. We've got a stone countertops, plenty of storage in the kitchen, full-size stove and oven, plenty of cabinets here in the kitchen area. Good size little fridge. Also this little table that it's mobile. The couch underneath also, we got a lot of storage underneath here. That's really cool in these tiny houses. The stairs coming this way. We got another door here. So we got this little door and the accordion door over there. This is another nice view, mini split. These lamps are copper, hand forged made. Right here we have the bathroom with a regular toilet. We're going to be adding a washer and dryer, 2 separate units here. Also with plenty of ventilation. We got the sink, a really nice sink here. The shower is here. We got glass in here. These little details. Also with a window for ventilation. If we go this way, we're gonna go up here, these stairs. Let's go to the left, to the main bedroom. Right here, it's really nice, a lot of natural light, looks neat. You are around nature. This is a good view. A big closet here. Inside the closet we got a lot of spaces as well. The same in the other side, with a lot of ventilation or natural light. Natural lights, another little thing to put the storage or more stuff in here, which is really helpful in these little spaces. This is another view, another really big window, and this is the second bedroom. And this is the modification that we have been doing in the Hazel model. That's why we call this design the Hazie. We are modifying this bedroom and the bathroom down here. This little space, we have a space to put a laptop or a computer, with hidden spaces to put pencils or little things right here. Also here, more over here, a little closet. So this is what we have been doing these days. It's a really nice house, really nice design. We're really happy to be building these houses, and we'll be showing you more of the projects that we have been working on, and stay tuned for our walking through of these designs and these houses from Tiny Topanga. Hope you have a good weekend. Bye.